And it's All City Auctioneers. We're back here again with another vehicle for our upcoming auction on July the 5th. So this vehicle is selling unreserved government surplus from one of the local municipalities here in the Metro Vancouver area. I do believe it's a 2003 Ford E250 cargo van, 4-passenger. Is what I'll say, because it does have a secondary seat in behind the driver passenger. Van appears to be in pretty decent condition. Just walking around here, I don't really see much. Tires are in good condition. You know, let me see. I'll just yeah, Michelin's is what they are. I'm just trying to see. I don't see, you know, nothing, no marks and scratches there on the corners. Bumper's in nice shape here. Nice step bumper on the back. It's got a small cargo area in the very back of this vehicle. Some rubber matting on the bottom. The cargo mesh, the cargo divider is actually screen. Well, it's a clear. It's like a plastic or an acrylic. Sheeting. There are a few hooks there to hang stuff on the sides. Rear cargo light is on. You don't really see it in the camera, but the rear one's on. The window on the side looks like it's a secondary window, afterthought, put in maybe you know, after the vehicle's been in use. But not even a lot of rust there on the back of the door. Looks like it might have had some security mesh there that maybe has been removed. Not sure. So only a few little marks and scratches. Oh, here's a little dent right here on the passenger rear, just in front of the back tire. There's that window there. So paint scrapes there on the door. Like I said, this one here, sliding side door instead of the barn door style, and it has a secondary seat in the back, but there's only 2 sets of seat belts. So that seat may look like it's seated for 3, but actually there's only 2 sets of seat belts. So a little Webasto air top, probably you know, auxiliary heater in the back. A few more hooks to hang stuff on the far side there. Driver and passenger seats do have a few holes in them. Passenger here, one little hole. Driver's seat, a little bit more. Other than that, the interior is not bad. You know, dirt on the side door panels there. You know, manual door handles. Now I'll just wander all the way back around and climb in. One thing that, of course, you're going to notice once I start it up is I think, and this is only a thought, I have not looked underneath because, you know what, the vehicles sell as is, whereas anyways, I think somebody has stolen the catalytic converter. 114,239 kilometers. I'm just going to fire it up so you can see all the warning lights illuminate, and then of course they go off. Plug your ears, it's loud. So now I'll close the door so that we can hear. So not really anything with respect to air conditioning or anything like that. Automatic overdrive, probably has tilt steering. Yes, there's a lever there. Pretty simple, basic AM/FM radio. There's not even air conditioning. Manual windows. I'm gonna get out to listen to the motor, but you probably already heard it. .2 liter. I do believe that is their 6-cylinder engine. Hood closes, lines up really nice. So this is a 2003 Ford E250 cargo van. Of course, it has the secondary seat in the back. And this is selling on July 5th, 2023 from our auction site here in Langley, British Columbia. We are all city auctioneers and we use the online auction site called bcsurplus.com. And yes, what you're looking at are a few of the other items in the auction sale. There are actually two of the backhoe loaders here. That one over there has problems and was towed in. This one over here is, we've been driving it around the yard. So that's all selling on July 5th, 2023. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.